angle of friction and or angle of repose. Angle of repose. So angle of friction, if we are talking about, see, angle of friction means here, as we know, friction force. Friction force is a type of your contact force. The friction force is your type of contact force. So now if a body is kept on a horizontal surface, so as we know, in a horizontal surface, when the body come in contact with the surface, there is a contact force, and when the contact force is acting, so one part of the contact is called your normal force. So normal force here in this direction, and friction force component of this here in this direction. Let theta is the angle made by the normal force with the contact force. So from here, tan theta is equal to your F by N. If tan theta is equal to F by N, as we know, as maximum friction for body about to start, as maximum friction force or maximum friction for body is about to start is F is equal to mu into N. So tan theta is nothing, it is your mu into N by N. So mu is equal to your tan theta. This theta is called your, theta is equal to your tan inverse mu. This theta is called angle of friction. So where theta is called angle of friction. Angle of friction, and that theta is nothing, so angle made by the normal force with the contact force direction. So from here we can say FC, nothing. So contact force FC can be written as N square plus F square, or it further written as N square plus mu square into N square, or FC is equal to your N root over 1 plus mu square. In this manner also we can write FC when the body is about to start. Now, if we are talking about the angle of repose, see how we can define. The angle of repose is nothing, in the same way, but that we are defining in case of inclined plane. Let's see for that example. Let a body is kept on a horizontal surface, right now this, and now what I am doing here, now this surface is about to make certain angle or about to tilt from a horizontal like this. If it start moving like this, this is your now surface, this is your surface. Now they let the surface make an angle theta. So our body is like this. Our body is in like this. So let at this angle theta, body is about to start. So theta is the angle made by inclined plane, at this angle body is about to start. At this angle body is about to start. Now, if body is about to start, see, if we are making a FBD, so here normal force and mg. So after resolving all forces, then we should apply the friction force at this angle your theta. So here mg cos theta, and this side we are having mg sin theta, and here this is a friction. Since body is about to start, body is about to start, then F must be equal to your mg sin theta, and here F is equal to your mu into n. So mu n is equal to your mg cos theta, which is equal to here mg sin theta. Then again we are getting tan theta is equal to mu. So theta is your tan inverse mu. This theta is also called your angle of repose. So this theta can be said. So theta is called angle of repose. So angle of repose means the angle at which, or the angle made by the plane with the horizontal at which a body is about to slip or about to start its motion. So angle of repose is that angle. Repose is that angle made by inclined plane at which body is about to slip on inclined plane. So this is the meaning of angle of friction or angle of repose. Now see certain interesting example of friction.